Gareth here, and in this video I'm going to be taking you through the best ways of how you can make money on YouTube, even if you've got a small account. In fact, especially if you've got a small account. And I'll also take you through a lot of the main ways that the big accounts are really actually making money, which might take you by surprise. It's probably not the ways that you think they're actually doing it. I'll also show you, if you stay to the end of this video, where you can get additional free training inside our academy. But with that said, I'm going to jump over to the whiteboard now, and we'll take you through things in more detail. Okay, so there are four main ways to monetize your channel. The first of which is ads. Now this is probably the most obvious one. You see ads at the start of each video when it plays, often during, at the end, and also when you're searching at the top or down on the left, on the right hand side. So all over YouTube there are a variety of ads that are going on. And most of the time when those happen on your channel or inside your video, you will get paid a small percentage. We're talking a couple of cents per view here, so nothing to get excited about. It's going to take a long time to build up, but you can potentially get paid money for having ads on your channel. However, the problem with this is you need to have over 1,000 subscribers to be able to monetize your channel in the first place. That may have changed at the time of recording this, but you needed your account to be of a certain size to be able to monetize your account. You also need a hell of a lot of views for that money to add up. And of the channels that I've spoken to that had 100,000, even 200,000, this was not a way that they really made a lot of money. In fact, it was probably how they made the smallest amount of money for their channel. So it's not really the best way to monetize your channel. As a small channel, you may not even be able to, because you may not have enough subscribers. And then as a medium or even large size channel, you're sending people away from your videos, away from your business to other people's businesses, other people's channels, and you've done all of that work to get people to come and watch your videos in the first place. So to send them away for a couple of cents per view seems like a crazy idea. It seems like it's only going to be something that's good for people that are very mainstream, often in the entertainment industry, where they're creating videos where they know they're going to get millions of views. And if you're going to get millions of views, then yeah, sure, a couple of cents is going to add up really, really quickly. But as a starting option of a way to make money on YouTube with a small channel, or even a medium, or as I said, fairly large channel, it is not going to work for you. Because of the channels I spoke to, it was not very much money they were making out of it. 1,000, maybe a couple of $1,000 at the most. So that's not really going to pay the bills. That's not really going to help you quit your day job. So the second of which was deals. So these are like sponsorship deals, promotional deals with brands who actually see that you've got good following on your account, good engagement, a good size account, and they want to pay you to be branded or mention their product or to actually sponsor a video in general where you will basically promote their product. The only issue with this is that you're potentially working for someone else, so you're at the mercy of what they may want you to do inside the video to promote their brand. You could, of course, set down certain ground rules, but that may scare away certain people who actually want to get you to promote their product. So not only are you then working for the man, where maybe you were trying to work for yourself in the first place, but you also don't know when these brand deals are going to come in. So yes, although the people I spoke to said it was good money when they got them, they didn't know how often those deals were actually going to happen. So as a reliable source of income, it was not a great one, and it was more of an added bonus to having a good sized channel. But also, again, it doesn't necessarily help you if you've got a small channel. If you have a small channel, then nobody's really going to want to get a sponsorship deal for you. So again, it's going to be for the medium to large upwards accounts. So it's not going to help you as a small channel. Not really. And again, the people I spoke to, as I said, that had the larger channels, they again said they made some good money out of it, but it wasn't the main way that they made money online. The next one was number 3, which was affiliate marketing. Now, I will put a link on this video where you can actually get some full training on affiliate marketing. We've done a full beginner's course on affiliate marketing. I'll put a link somewhere here. Otherwise, again, you can go to our Digital Marketing Academy, completely free. I will put a link in the description where you can get full training on things like affiliate marketing, copywriting, traffic and automation in general. So I'll put a link below this video where you can go and get additional free training on that as well. But affiliate marketing is where you are selling other people's products. So let's say you have your brand, you have your niche, it's in a particular market. Let's say it's CrossFit or it's some sort of niche within the fitness industry. You could then select products, even digital training programs that pay you a high percentage of return. They may even give you 50% on anything that you sell. So if someone out there already has a digital product, a digital course that you want to recommend, they're going to pay you a good rate of return just to promote their products. So they're going to share the profits with you, and it's often with digital products up to about 50%, 60%, even more sometimes. And then you could also promote digital products as an affiliate. And those digital products, if it was with the fitness industry, it could be clothing, it could be fitness equipment, gloves, anything that they perhaps need for that fitness, for that training program or whatever it is they do. So you can do physical and digital products that aren't yours, you can promote those, and this is a great way for people to get started. If you've got a small account and you don't want to create your own products, then selling other people's products to begin with is a fantastic way to monetize your channel as a small channel, and it's also normally profitable enough for you to even do it with paid ads if you wanted to do that as well. So affiliate marketing for us, we've already made multiple six figures each and every year with affiliate marketing. It is a huge part of what we do online, and it's what we recommend. All of our accounts, all of our social media accounts and channels, and the ways that we promote online, they're very small accounts. We don't have anything massive, but we make fantastic money with affiliate marketing. The fourth one and the final one is basically creating your own products and services. So creating your own products and services. Services could be selling your time for money. Again, if you're in the fitness industry, perhaps your end goal was to be able to train people one-on-one, so maybe you just want to do that. But in terms of being able to leverage large numbers of people, you want a digital product of some kind. So much like affiliate marketing, you want your own digital or physical product that you can promote and sell from your channel. So you're very congruent with the type of audience that you're promoting to. You have your target niche, you have your target market, and you've created a product that is highly relevant to them and exactly what they want. Therefore, your aim, just like affiliate marketing, is to get people off the channel. So you want to leverage the traffic that you're making on YouTube, either free and paid, and you want to get them off YouTube, and you want to get them to buy your products and services. So again, this is a fantastic way, and this, although there was a lot of people that said they were making fantastic money with affiliate marketing, this was the number one way, digital products with the number one reason, and the number one monetization way on how people were making money on YouTube. It's the main way people were making money on YouTube, and that was by selling digital training programs. So maybe they're selling $1,000 training program. They only need to make so many sales of that each and every month to make great money, and then anything they do with affiliate marketing or deals or ads is just an extra bonus. So the main way, if you've got a small audience, let's say you're only getting a few hundred people off of YouTube each and every month. If you're making a few sales, and that is of a high ticket product or something that is highly valuable to you, either your products or your services, then you're going to be making a lot more money. So that's really how you should be making money online, is either selling your own digital products or services, or actually selling other people's digital products and services off your YouTube channel. So remember, it's about trying to get people off your YouTube channel. Yes, you can have links on your YouTube channel to affiliate products, but it's about trying to get people off there so you can monetize them both with products now and later. So as always, we always recommend when you get them off, you capture some sort of contact information. Now we've got a lot more training inside the Digital Academy. I will put a link below that video, but if you found this video valuable, please subscribe to the channel and ping that little bell so you get notifications each and every time we create content. And let us know what you think of this video. Did you find it valuable? Is there any other way you recommend monetization of videos? Let me know in the description below, in the comments below. We'd love to hear back from you. All right, I'll see you in the next video.